In this video, we will write a function for quick sort. So already we have seen the procedure. So we have written actually two functions for quick sort. One was partition and the other was recursive quick sort function. I will write on both the functions. So let us start writing a program for quick sort. See, already I have an array here. These are array of 10 elements. So what I'll do is here at the last, I will add one more element, that is 65535. This is the largest positive integer, or else I can take int underscore max, that is maximum integer. So this will act as infinity. Now I have total 11 elements including infinity. As in the procedure we were using infinity as the last element in an array, so that will help us to show the end of an array, that is, it's a delimiter for a list. Now let us write on the functions for quick sort. So the first function I will write on is partition. Partition function returns integer and it takes array of elements and low as well as high, that is the starting and ending point of a list. Now here inside this I need some variables like pivot for taking a first element, that is pivotal element is a of low, and I need I that starts from low and j starts from high. Then using do while loop we have written the code. So in do while loop, first we will increment I in a do while loop. So I plus plus, and this is while. See, I should move as long as the elements are smaller or equal. Means it should stop when the element is greater. So I should write on the condition for continuation, not for stopping. So I should say a of I is less than or equal to pivot. So if it is less, it will move, it will not stand. If it is greater, it will stop. Yes, this is perfect. Then do j minus minus, and here I should say while a of j is greater than pivot. So if the element is greater, j should decrement. If it is smaller or equal, it should stop. Yes. Then after that, we check if I is still less than j. If so, then we will swap the elements from a of I with a of j, address of a of j. Then swapping is done. Now I have to write the condition for while loop. So do while loop while I is less than j. When I becomes greater than j, it should stop. And when it has stopped and came out of this while loop, I should swap the elements, that is a of low, that is pivot element, with a of j. This is the last swap. Then it should return j. That's all. This is a partition function. This is a partition function. Already we have learned about this one. Now I should write on a quick sort function, that is a recursive function, void quick sort. It should take a array of elements and low and high. Then it should check that at least there are two elements, that is if low is less than high, then it should call partition by sending array and low and high. Then whatever the result is returned, it should take in a variable j, that is the partitioning position. So I should have one local variable, that is j. Yes. Then after calling partition, it should call quick sort once again from upon an array from low to j and quick sort from j plus 1 to high. See, actually it should be j minus 1. This is high. So actually this should be j minus 1, but I told you that jth position element, that is which is already sorted, acts as infinity for the first list, and this h, this is having infinity on the right hand side list. So that's all. This is a quick sort program. Let us call quick sort upon this list and see whether it sorts the elements. Quick sort, pass array, and the low is 0 here, high is 10. That is the last index is 10, total 11 elements I am having. Let us compile and run. Oops, this is int 32 max. Yes, that is 32-bit integer, int 32 underscore max. Yes, this was the error, so I have removed the error. Now you can see that the color also has changed because it's a predefined constant. Yes, the elements are sorted. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 24. So it has sorted the elements. Still it is giving a warning because, okay, variable n is not used. Yes, I am not using it. If you want, you can use this one, that is n minus 1, that is 10. Now it should not give any warning. Yes, warning is gone. Elements are sorted. So this is the function for quick sort. So you can try this. This is a simple program, though it looks like little difficult to the students, but it's very easy compared to the other programs, that is for trees and AVL trees, the lengthy programs we have seen. I have divided this into two functions, that is partition and quick sort. Here I wrote partition and next is quick sort. Even you can combine them and write it as a single function also. So it's up to you. So that's all in this video.